Did you know that internal links not only improve navigation, but also boost SEO rankings when done right? Let me show you how ClickRank makes this effortless with smart internal links. Start by navigating to the page you want to optimize in your ClickRank dashboard and selecting the internal links option under page SEO optimization. This is where the magic happens. ClickRank scans your website's content and analyzes top-performing queries from Google Search Console. With one click on Auto-Suggest Smart Internal Links, our AI generates intelligent suggestions to connect relevant pages dynamically. Each suggestion is context-aware and optimized for user engagement. The links include a dynamic call to action and anchor text tailored to boost click-through rates and align with searcher intent. Simply review the suggestions and click Apply to add them. These smart links guide your visitors to related content seamlessly and ensure Google notices the interaction, boosting your rankings. That's it. Smart internal links help you save time, enhance SEO, and deliver real results. Ready to optimize your internal linking strategy? Try ClickRank today and experience the difference.